Okay, there's Dollywood. Not going in, but driving by. Cody won't take me to Dollywood. Right, babe?
Nope, I'm not taking you.
There's a lot of
Sing
people
me
there.
one Dolly Parton song right now.
I can sing you a lot. Why'd you come in here looking like that?
That don't even count with
How
Billy
does
Ray. Billy Ray Cyrus don't even count. That ain't even a real Dolly Parton song.
How is that Billy Ray Cyrus?
Don't even talk to me no more.
What are you talking about, Billy
You
Ray
should have
Cyrus?
belted out 9 to 5 or.
Working 9 to. What do you mean?
You should have belted out 9 to 5 or.
Working 9 to. What do you mean by Billy Ray Cyrus?
That song's about Billy Ray Cyrus. Billy Ray Cyrus is in the music video.
Okay, well I don't remember that, dude.
Well, don't even talk to me no more. We're not even friends anymore.
Can we be lovers?
No.
That's rude.
All that stuff. I need to drag all them chairs in and out and them couches in and out every night. We need to go ride that roller coaster down that mountain.
What is that? That's so cool. Oh, it goes all the way up. Babe.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
I mean, I'll turn around.
Do you want to do it?
I'd love to do it.
I'll do it.
Let's go up here a little ways and we'll get it on the way back.
Cause I'll do it.
Looky up here.
Golly, look at the mountains, Coco. We're in the mountains. Whoa. Toy box. Look how cute that is. Lance would want to go there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a mini golf. That's cute. Dolly Parton Stampede. That looks fun. Little like Western town looking thing.
Dinner attraction. Shoney's. A question. Has anybody ever seen a new Waffle House? They all look like they were built in the 60s and just like they're all still open, but I've never seen a new one.
And I guess people go there, but I'm terrified to even try it because they look old and yuck. Yeah.
Down everyone we've ever been around.
Oh, look at the super fun park.
Ripley's, believe it or not.
What is this little sphere up here? Think you can like do something in there? It kind of looks like it. Oh yeah.
Oh, it is zip line.
Yeah,
I've
it's a
been
zip line.
sarcastic.
Yeah, it is a zip line.
Stay in the left 2 lanes.
I would not zip line off of it. Pigeon Forge.
Y'all come back.
Oh my goodness, look how beautiful this is. It's like, oh gosh, so pretty. Cody, I'm so glad we got a GoPro.
Oh, there's a river over here.
Okay, don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Cody, why are you not allowed to look at the river?
I don't know why.
Why
Are you saying because I occasionally might veer over the line, over the mustard or the mayo just a little bit?
Yeah, what happened today?
And you freak out?
What did you
Look,
almost do
you
today?
almost run over one pedestrian going the wrong way on his bicycle, and you act like I almost killed him.
I'm talking like within 6 inches.
He didn't even bump Blanche. If I pull out and he hits me, then that means he's in the wrong for failure to control his speed. Look at this river over here.
You can't see it. I can't really see it. I mean, I can see it. Oh, I can see it, yeah. I can't show it on film, though. Camera, though. This is the prettiest drive I've ever seen in my life, Cody. I hope that you can see the
King Ranch Road.
beauty of this on
Natty Branch.
King Branch Road.
Oh, King Branch. Gatlinburg National Park, 7 miles.
Cody, you gotta slow down.
I'm going the speed
I know, but
limit.
we're going around a mountain, and it's scary. I don't think you've ever driven mountains, and you gotta take it easy.
It's a pullover spot to park, which we've done.
That's a beautiful little river.
Go wait.
We probably should have cleaned the windshield before we did all this videoing. Sorry guys, it's Cody's fault. Way to go, Cody. Good job. Oh, look at this. That's pretty.
As y'all can see, Erica blames me for pretty much everything that goes wrong in the world today.
I haven't driven one single time, so I can't wash the windshield if I'm not driving.
You could while I was filling up the gas.
If you used your
Lend me
dills,
that.
if you used your windshield washer fluid.
I'm saving it for the next guy.
Okay. I'm not messing with you.
Good, it's a losing battle.
We're like going deep in the mountains or something.
I mean, we hadn't quit going downhill yet, so we're going to be in the bottom of it once we get there.
Think we'll get out? Oh, look how pretty that is. What is that? Another roller coaster?
Moonshine
another
Mountain
roller coaster.
Coaster. Moonshine Mountain Coaster. Should have walked in right there and went to it.
What is this? Jose's Cantina.
Nobody wants to see all that.
You never know. I might catch something cool on here.
This seems like just a big old tourist trap to me. I mean,
I know.
It's pretty out there seeing the mountains and stuff.
Why
but
would you want to just come do this when you can just go up in the mountains and...
there's the pink Jeep tours.
Yeah.
They're
Ooh, look at those. Gonna ride on one of those?
One of the open ones?
No, I'm not riding those, I tell you. I promise you that. I did that one time and it's not happening ever again. There's Ripley's Aquarium.
Mountain Mall.
Arrive at Gatlinburg.
They're driving Rangers around in town here.
Are they?
Do I just passed one?
Mountain Mall.
Cowboy white hats and boot and leather. I wouldn't think you'd sell a lot of cowboy hats and boots in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Yeah, this just seems like a big theme park or something.
Yeah. It really does.
I'm kind of out on that.
It's kind of like you're at Disney or something. You gotta stop for pedestrians.
I guess it's just one of those deals somebody found it one time and said it's a nice place to go visit, and everybody started coming, and they're like, well, let's build this, let's build that, and kind of takes the beauty out of it to me.
Yeah.
Center of town parking right there.
Yeah, I just don't know what you'd want to come here for.
I mean,
if you had kids and
yeah,
you just wanted to have fun, but
it's like a big Disney village is what it is.
yep, that is exactly what it looks like. Big Disney
I
village.
wonder if Disney owns this.
Yeah, like every other block they've got some kind of thing. What is this one? Believe it or not.
Man, they got something crawdaddy, crawfish place here, Cajun.
There's an
place.
axe house. You want to go throw axes?
What is that?
Throwing axes?
You think so?
Yeah. He doesn't even know what an axe house is. We just do it at home, so.
I got my own axe target at home. I ain't gonna pay somebody to let me throw them.
This definitely looks like somewhere where you would be miserable at.
Yeah, I would have no fun in this. Number one, I'm not a big on crowds because too many people nowadays don't have control of their
Selves.
themselves or their kids.
Oh,
They just
this all looks nice. Ripley's Haunted Adventure.
don't pay no attention to nobody but themselves. That just burns me
Oh,
up.
here's the Hollywood Stars cars.
I don't even know what that means.
We
What's that
looked
mean?
at that on the internet. The Hollywood Stars cars. Hollywood Stars cars.
I know what you're saying.
Okay, well you said what does that mean?
But I don't know what it is.
You go in there and they have Hollywood Stars cars, like what Batman drove in the 1969 Batman or something. Do you understand now?
If you shake your fingers and grit your teeth when you say it,
Does it make it better? Hold on, let me find toothpicking. Will that make it better if I do it like that?
makes it easier to understand you, yeah.
Okay.
How many of y'all have to put up with this kind of stuff from your spouse? Nobody else? Oh, okay, thanks.
I think I'm the one putting up
Appreciate
with stuff, but okay.
you. Oh, that's the place you want to go eat supper, wasn't it?
Yeah, but they got a bunch of them. I don't want them to eat at the one out here. They got one in downtown Knoxville.
Gatlinburg is definitely something to see, but I'm glad we just drove through. Oh, rafting trip right there, Erica.
Oh, that would be so much fun. Look how beautiful. I would take one of those, Cody. One of the closed-in gondola things, or whatever. What do you call them? Do you call it like a gondola?
Yeah, I think so.
Are you just saying that so I'll
It's
shut
called
up?
a lift or something. I don't know.
It's not a
The
ski
Great
lift.
Smoky Mountains National Park. You didn't even get it on video.
Golly. Well, you told us about it, so.
Get you a shot of that.
It's so beautiful. Look. Turn around. Look how beautiful that is.
Pretty.
Gorgeous. No, we're fixing to go through a tunnel. Finally. I'm still sorry Cody didn't wash the windshield for y'all. How beautiful is this? Wow. What'd you think about our first tunnel?
It's pretty awesome.
It's gorgeous.
Pretty awesome.
It's gorgeous. I'm about to fall asleep. Cody's like rocked me to sleep by going back and forth up this mountain, or down the mountain, and now we're going up the mountain. We're still not there.
And I ain't too sure how far away we are. We don't have any service down in here, so. Thought you wanted pictures.
Oh, did you want a picture?
Well, not now. I mean, where this good spot was gone. We missed the good spot.
I'm sorry.
I mean, not that there's not a good spot in the good Lord's creation, but that is pretty. I'm not a big fan of cage fencing abilities here at Cade Cove, though. Right here, this wire is on the wrong side of the fence. It's 3 wires slick. It wouldn't hold anything we own. Maybe it holds cage horses, though. What's it say?
Methodist Church. We already passed the Baptist Church. This is Methodist Church.
Everybody stops at the Methodist Church because the Baptist Church come up so quick you didn't have a chance to see it.
Yeah. Methodist Church. It's pretty.
Setting up on blocks.
Oh, we've got a little cemetery back there. That's what it looks like.
Stop here. Is this a pull off? Oh, this ain't a pull off.
This is Rich Mountain Road. You gotta turn
Unimproved primitive access, one way, no re-entry. Townsend 12 miles, passenger vehicles only. Missionary back. I guess she taking. That's that old crazy lady that's taking pictures. Oh, there's a spot right here to park. You want to leave?
Those mountains are so gorgeous. Thinking we're fixing to get a good view, people.
Here's a deer in Cage Cove.
You're not allowed to video. as you drive, because you're going to run us off the road.
House and barn. I love them old houses. Got a little old porch on it.
There's my feet. Those mountains are so beautiful. I'm not going right up there. Oh gosh, I'm looking at me. Don't look at me, people. It's pretty. Oh yeah, you can pull over up here if you want.
Do that or not?
Do you want to? This is pretty over here. What is that?
Hollowed out tree.
Do what?
Like a corn crib. Fill it full of grain.
Yeah.
Let the air out and not spoil.
Alright, what'd you think of the Smoky Mountains, babe?
Well, it's pretty awesome.
We saw two bears. Is bear? You say bears or bear? Two bears? Two bears? We saw two bears. One of them was tranquilized on the back of the park rangers or veterinarian's truck. It's pretty cool. I didn't video it because I felt weird. I was like, And then we saw one right off the road that was eaten, and I got video of that, so y'all will get to see that, or we'll have already saw that. So that's pretty neat. It's very beautiful. It's a long drive. Very long drive.
Been where we wanted to go.
I don't know what Townsend meant.
Well, I thought it might have been some bathrooms or something, since the ones up on the very top of this mountain were closed.
I guess we'll find out.
I guess we'll find out. Yeah. I don't believe it's no cut through.
I don't know. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the Smoky Mountain tour. We sure did.
River rafters here.